so cute. Oh, they're the bigger kids.
Yeah, they're back behind.
You know, I don't know which one is Shane. I'll have to look at the shoes. Unless he doesn't have his mask on, which is possible.
Does she have an autofocus?
Go, Gianna! Go, Gianna! Stop it! Smile once and I won't do it again. Oh, she said no. Come on, Cole.
Smile.
He's so cute.
How are you?